Hello guys, today we are going to review about the Choetech fast wireless charger stand. This stand comes with a lot of feature and great design. So before we start review, let's take the moments to read what comes inside the box. It has a 30-day 30 return. Any reason you can return this. If you don't like this or if you find any faults in this, you can return within a 30 days. It also comes of 18-month warranty. Here you can see it's written on the box. You can claim your fault piece in 18 months, as well as it has the lifetime life supports where you can contact customer services for any reason, for any queries if you want to ask from the Choetech. So let's unbox this first and check what's inside the box. What we have here are one wireless stand, what's more inside the box. It has the user manual which is written how you to use, and the one charging cable for the stand. What's more inside the box is it has the Choetech This is all we have inside the box. Let's talk about the design of this. The quality they have made, it's really good. It comes with a hard plastic. It also has the grains on the surface which is not able to resist your mobile anywhere. Inside this it has a two coil, horizontal and vertical, where you can charge your smartphone vertical or horizontal. This is inside the design. On the back side we have the USB port where you can plug the USB to charge your smartphone. What we have written here, it has the model number, input 5 volt 2 ampere. The output, maximum output of this wireless stand is 10 volt. I think this is really fine and good design. It also have the rubber band here which is able to control your smartphone on the one place. And what we have here downside, it has the LED light control which enables you, which tells you either your smartphone charge fast or standard. Well, I think this is the best product from the Choetech wireless stand where you can charge your smartphones real fast. It has the standard charging, and also it has the fast charging. For the fast charging you have to put a good adapter. I think 3.1 ampere or anything. If you want to charge your smartphone on this standard, you can put any adapter into Choetech wireless stand charger. It is easily available at the Choetech website, and the prices of these you can find there easily. This product is really good and it comes with a great quality. And thank you very much for watching the videos. You can read more reviews from the igeekphone.com, and you can buy this product from the Choetech. Thanks.